Sometimes on Threads, you may have saved a ghost post to the draft section. That happens because you might want to edit that post later and post it as a ghost post. Anyway, afterwards, if you want to post it, you can. In this video, we'll be showing you how to post any ghost post from your drafts as a ghost post on Threads. For this, open the Threads app. After opening the Threads app, down here you can see your profile photo. Click on it. When you click on that, here you can see your profile photo, and next to that you can see a plus button. If you have already posted a ghost post, you can see that too. Anyway, click on that. When you click on it, here you can see a button like this. This is the draft button. Just click on this and here you can see every post in the draft section. Just click on that post. And after that, if you want, you can make edits here. And after that, if you want to post, what you need to do is click on post. When you click on that, that ghost post will be added. Now here you can see that the ghost post has been added. So this way, if there is any ghost post in the draft section, you can post it as a ghost post on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.